Hi guys, welcome to Brains on the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're all about goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. And Kai is going to be the co-host for today. Okay, it's very unfortunate when we have to do these videos because we recently just came back from Jamaica, and Jamaica is nice. Like, if you don't mess with people and you're not like surrounded by certain type of people, you are good. And we didn't see anything happen. And yo is a talker. You ready? An 11th grade student of Green Island High School in Hanover was shot and killed by yet an unknown assailant in Negril, Westmoreland on Thursday night. The deceased have been identified as 18-year-old Kean Price, also called Key or Pengay, of Negril, Westmoreland. Reports are that about 7 p.m. Price and a male friend were sitting under a tree in a yard when two men rolled up on a motorcycle. The pillion rider reportedly dismounted, brandishing a handgun, with which he opened fire, hitting Price multiple times to the upper body. The youngster reportedly ran off and collapsed in the yard. The shooter then escaped on a waiting motorcycle, in the direction of West End Main Road. The police were alerted and Price were taken to Savamar Public Hospital, where he was pronounced dead. Police investigations continue into the development. And recently when we went to Westmoreland, it was brought to my attention of how crazy the terrain is in Westmoreland. I guess because I am from Westmoreland and I'm used to that type of terrain, I didn't think of how much of an issue it can be for police officers in Jamaica. And now more than ever, I understand. I was never looking at it like that, but I understand now. It's very difficult to keep up with somebody on a motorcycle, especially if there's no other police officers with motorcycles, and especially with the type of terrain that a motorcycle can go through while a police vehicle can't. So that's one thing to note when we're doing these videos. Another thing to note is that honestly, I feel like a lot of times these shootings don't happen just because. It's just not, there's a backstory to most of these shootings. Like, killings happen in Jamaica because of certain reasons, and we probably don't know the backstory, but there's 9 out of 10 times there's some backstory to these type of killings. One thing that I found surprising, and why I say what I said a while ago, is because they killed him and not his friend. If this was just a random killing, they would have killed both of them. So obviously when they came, they knew exactly who they're coming for, why they're coming for him, and why he needs to die. So I know there's more to this story. I'm gonna keep my ears peeled, okay? And if there's any update to this case, or if I hear anything, I'll definitely update you guys. But this is very sad because this is somebody that haven't lived their life, that haven't lived their full potential. So it's very sad, needless to say. Even if he was caught up in some foolishness, he's at a age where he's at an age where he's gullible and naive and can be forced or tricked into certain lifestyle that at the end of the day, when he catch 25 or 27, he's no longer interested, or 20 or even 20 years old, he's no longer interested in that type of lifestyle. So it's very sad that our kids are not able to make mistakes anymore without paying the cost of having their life taken away. But Comment what your thoughts are in the comment section. Do you think that killings happen randomly in Jamaica? Do you think that this was a random killing, and why? And comment what your thoughts are on multiple youngsters, high school youngsters, being killed in recent time in Jamaica. Comment what your thoughts are in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm a part of here, man. Deuces.